Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Latisha McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Now, if this is your first time here, I want to let you know that my community and I have agreed for me to do some videos just freestyling. And what that is just, I have a lot of ideas to just come across my mind, and I'm just gonna turn the camera and just start filming it without doing any editing. Now, I do a lot of polished videos, but for right now, we're just freestyling only sometimes. We would love to have you. However, with all the responsibilities of myself, I chose to start doing some freestyle DIYs in my community. Pretty much 100% say, go for it, girl. Now, we have a community member that asked a question. The only person that can see your comments, my friend, is myself. And what I was talking about in story time that I did a few days ago, I just seen your comment just a few minutes ago, so I want to go ahead and answer it, is that you can take the acrylic garland. Let me zoom in for you. There we go. Focus in. I apologize. So you can take the acrylic garland and place it on top of the frame. So I'm using my fingers just like it's a frame. So when the acrylic garland is hanging down, then that's when you can take a card, or you can take a bag like I was telling you, the one that had the deer on there, and just place it onto there, and therefore it can hang from the frame. Now, I was saying in the story time, I did not want to purchase the frame and the cards just to do a DIY, because that is something that I didn't want to just buy extra in order to do a DIY, or to just have more clutter in my home. And what I mean by more clutter, stuff that I'm not going to use, doing it one time and I'm not going to use later. So that's what I was talking about. Just, you can get the bag. And I got this card turned this way is because I'm sending out cards to a lot of you guys, and just hot glue it on that way. And when you use that, the frame only, the frame is going to be pressed up against the wall. So therefore you don't have to worry about it going this way and that way and this way, because the bag is going to be pressed up against the wall. And then I was saying you can take the other side, and then place a bag there. So you can have one here, then you can have one here, then you can have one here. That's what I was saying. Depending upon the size of your frame, if you want to use the ones from Dollar Tree, you can probably do two of them, having one right here down at the bottom and then one right here in the center. So hopefully, my friend, that answers your question. I love answering questions this way instead of just typing it in, just doing a very, very quick, video, just explaining what I'm talking about. And you guys, I will be sending out your Christmas cards in the mail. But if you do have any more questions, my friend, please feel free to you can always, email me or just send me, another comment in story time, and I will be happy to answer it for you. Bye everyone, and I will see you later.